Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to see Facebook password. So on an iPhone, go to settings, scroll down until you find password. It will ask you to use your Face ID to get your saved passwords. And then once we are in here, we need to search for Facebook. As you can see, I got saved password here for that user. I can just get into it, and then if I would like to see my password, I can just stop right here and it will show me my password. And also from here, it will tap hit copy password. It will be copied to the clipboard. However, if you cannot find your password here, it is probably stored in the password manager of your Google account. So just close settings and open up any web browser. After that, go to google.com and you have to be logged into your Google account. Obviously, once you have done that, tap right here at your profile picture, manage your Google account, then just drag it and top at security. Then scroll down all the way until you find password manager. After that, top right here where it says search, then enter Facebook, tap on it. It may ask you to enter your Google account password. And once you are done, that will be taken to the page where you can check your saved password from here. You can tap add a date icon to copy the clipboard. And also you can tap at the eye icon to unhide it. That's how you can easily find your Facebook password. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.